Have you ever paused for a moment to ponder just how big the universe really is? It's a daunting thought, isn't it? To begin our exploration, let's start small. When we talk about celestial bodies, we're referring to any natural body existing in the expanse of space, like planets, stars, asteroids, and so on. In the realm of celestial bodies, the smallest known members are asteroids. Asteroids are like the tiny pebbles in the cosmic river. They can be as small as a boulder or as large as a small country. Picture a rock just floating in space, untouched by human hands. Now imagine that rock expanding to a size of 940 kilometers in diameter. That's about the distance from New York to Detroit. Quite impressive for a small celestial body, isn't it? So we start our journey with asteroids, just a speck in the grand scheme of things. Now let's move from tiny asteroids to something significantly larger, dwarf planets and planets. Imagine a celestial body, a dwarf planet like Pluto. Its size may seem insignificant in the vastness of space, but it boasts a diameter of about 2,376 kilometers. Now, that's quite a leap from our former asteroids. Wouldn't you agree? But let's not stop there. Let's venture further to our home, the Earth. Our planet dwarfs Pluto with a diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers. That's over 5 times the size of Pluto. It's a staggering difference, showing us the immense variety in the sizes of celestial bodies within our very own solar system. From a mere asteroid, we've now journeyed to our own planet, but there's much more to explore. So buckle up, space travelers. Our cosmic voyage is just beginning. From the confines of our planet, we now venture out to the stars, including our very own sun. A colossal ball of glowing gas, the sun boasts a whopping diameter of about 1.39 million kilometers. To put this in perspective, it's like stacking 109 Earths side by side. Yes, you heard that right, 109 Earths. The sun's enormity doesn't stop there. It's so huge that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Let that sink in for a moment. Our Earth, with all its mountains, oceans, and continents, is but a speck compared to the behemoth that is our sun. But here's a humbling fact. Despite its impressive size, our sun is considered an average star. There are stars in the cosmos that absolutely dwarf our sun, stars that are hundreds of times larger. It's hard to imagine, but our sun is just an average star. There are much larger ones out there. Leaving the stars behind, we now enter the realm of galaxies and, ultimately, the universe itself. Our first stop is our very own Milky Way galaxy, which is not just a splash of stars we gaze upon in a clear night sky, but a colossal, swirling mass of stars, dust, and gas. It's a barred, spiral galaxy, a cosmic dance of hundreds of billions of stars, including our own sun. The scale of the Milky Way is almost unfathomable. Imagine this: if our solar system were the size of a coin, the Milky Way would be the size of the North American continent. That's right. Our galaxy is about 100,000 light years in diameter. A light year, the distance light travels in a year, is nearly 6 trillion miles. So multiply that by 100,000 and you begin to grasp the vast expanse of our home galaxy. But as grand as our Milky Way is, it's just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's a 2 followed by 12 zeros, if you're counting. And each one of these galaxies contains millions, billions, or even trillions of stars. Now, brace yourself, because we're about to leap from galaxies to the universe itself. The size of the observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's the space we can see from Earth, light having had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang. Beyond that, who knows? The universe continues to expand, and there may be regions far beyond our observational reach. From a tiny asteroid to the mind-boggling expanse of the universe, we've journeyed across scales that are almost impossible to comprehend. And yet, here we are, tiny specks on a tiny planet in a vast cosmic sea, contemplating the enormity of it all. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? So we've traveled from the tiniest celestial bodies to the vastness of the universe. We've journeyed from petite asteroids dwarf planets, and our own Earth to the radiant sun and colossal stars. We voyage through galaxies, each a cosmic metropolis of stars, stretching out to the largest entity we can observe, the universe itself. This journey shows us how we, on our tiny planet, are part of something incredibly vast and awe-inspiring. The universe, in all its mystery and grandeur, continues to fascinate us.